Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video, another install for the Subaru. This time it's gonna be the rear differential carrier. I'm swapping out the OEM one for this CUSCO one. The reason for that is because the one I have on, I don't know, I tried to look everywhere to see where it was leaking, and it looks like it's leaking from the bushings. I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty sure that's where it's leaking from. So when I take it off, I'll take a look at him and see what the issue is. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm just gonna install this really quick, show you guys how it looks in the car. And I've been thinking a lot, like, I think I'm gonna change everything to these CUSCO ones. The only reason is because I don't have anything done, so I might just do the sway bar, I might do the lower control arms, I might do the bushings, some more bushings back there. Just kind of like stiffen up the rear end a little bit, since I haven't done anything other than coilovers on the car. So yeah, I really want to get that done for the back. Plus blue looks pretty nice. I wish they would sell them in red, but it's fine. It's under the car, you won't be able to see it. Plus the diffuser covers up mostly everything back there, so it's not like I need to see it, but you know, it's there. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start with this one, and then I'm gonna end up getting the sway bar, the lower control arms, getting all that stuff for the car. So I haven't done a video on how that bypass valve sounds with the intake, but it sounds a little bit better than when I had the Cobb one. Not sure why, but it just sounds a little bit better. Sounds a little different. But overall, yeah, that's pretty much for the video. I'm just gonna install that really quick, and then yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks on the car. And then I'll show you the OEM one, and see if it's actually leaking or where the heck that, because it has some kind of oil-based lube or something coming from it, and I don't know where it was. It's not the differential because it doesn't stink, and gear oil smells like crap. So yeah, let me open her up and then show you guys how it looks, and then we'll install her really quick. Let's open her up really quick. Comes with instructions. It comes with these washers right here. I'm gonna check it out how to install this here in a little bit, but it doesn't seems pretty straightforward. It's all Japanese. It's pretty cool. But let me just open her up, show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, well there it is, the CUSCO rear differential carrier. It's blue. That blue is really nice. So that's what I mean. I might just do everything back there with the CUSCO. Plus they always have sales, and it's gonna look good. Let me put this car in the quick jacks really quick and lift her up and show you guys the bottom of the car, and then we'll install this really quick, and then maybe it'll make a difference, maybe it won't, but yeah, kind of need everything to make a difference, but you know. And then yeah, so let's just install this really quick, and then yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so now I'm under the car. This is the OEM one. This is what I'm talking about when I mean that it's leaking. As you can see, it's all everywhere there, and the other one is dry. So that's how I kind of figured that it was leaking, only from one side though. Can't really see, can't even focus, but yeah, sort of. See, it's all shiny in there. But yeah, I'm gonna get that one switched out and put in the new one. So seems like a quick install, just 4 2 nuts down here and 2 nuts on both sides with the screws, and then all you gotta do is kind of play with it and lift up the differential and play with it just to get these aligned with the new one. But should be a quick install. So yeah, let me get this going. I'll put you guys on a little tripod and yeah, install this really quick. All right. Alright guys, so after fighting with this side for a while, I finally got the freaking bolt to go through. And got the nut on there, the other one too, got the nut on there. Those ones in the bottom, got them in. The washers go on top between this carrier and the differential. And then you just tighten these all down. I torqued these down to 51 and these ones to 81. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple install. It took a while because I was trying to fight with this one. Obviously, taking it off was pretty quick too. So other than that, that's it. I mean, looks good down here. Gives it a little bit more contrast back down here, other than just silver, gray, and dark and black and ugly. I wish the tone was all out. I wish I could burn this a little bit more so you can see the titanium on here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how it looks, and easy install, guys. I'm gonna see how it feels. I will be getting these other bushings that are up here on the differential, just so I can like stiffen it up a little bit more. And then yeah, because these ones right here, I don't know, we'll see. Those are probably next. And then I'll get the sway bar and the lower control arms and everything else. Well, overall, easy install. So let me just get out of this really quick, clean this up, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, well here it is. This is the stock one. Just kind of want to show you how it looks after 130,000 miles. See right there, it's kind of greased up, leaking everywhere there. And I'm pretty sure it's been leaking for a while. This side is fine because obviously it's just, I think this side is just rubber and this side is a whole solid bushing. But yeah, overall the blue one looks so much better. Alright guys, well that pretty much does it for this video. Easy install. The only thing I got wrong was the torque specs. So the ones on the bottom, okay, the ones on the bottom, B, whatever, the ones on the bottom, they're 36, and then the ones on the sides are 81. The 81 I got right, but the other ones are 36, so you don't have to over tighten them. And I think I did. Overall, easy install, simple install, just kind of a pain to put on, but I'm gonna see how it feels on the road. I know it's not gonna make much of a difference. I heard those bushings on the top make more of a difference than the carrier, but we'll just have to see. I mean, I am gonna do all that all together. Just waiting for those bushings to come in, and then I will probably just start ordering the lower control arms and sway bar. But I got another package coming in on Tuesday, and I don't know if I'm gonna put it on or I'm just gonna wait, but I kind of do just want to put it on. Might as well get it over with so it can just look good. But we'll see. Well, alright, simple install, and that pretty much completes this video, guys. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Alright, peace out.